giving out beneficiaries for community engagement, for food gardening. So all this equipment that you are seeing here, it was for the people of Msobomvu. So this is one of the initiatives from the university in making sure that we plow back to communities, in making sure that we work with communities.
As we know, siyasokola kakhulu ngamanzi. Ndikhalile ngamanzi. Urhulumente ke amanzi kunzima. Siwathunyelelwa ngogqampompo. So izinto zitshile as we speak kwelanga ba ngo40 amalanga ngoku. Siza kuncedakala kakhulu ngalamatenki. Kwabo banganamatenki seabo banamigqomo babeka imigqomo. So nezi tools
amanzi anqabile yabona ngokujanywa asikwazi ulima because akukho manzi. So xa kukho amatanki sayazi ke noko ukulima kwethu so kuzosincedisa.
Yeah, as a university, we don't need to be an ivory tower to our people. As a university, we have a responsibility to make sure that we make a positive impact and we work with our communities. For instance, even if you check this project you can say, but not limited to, is focusing on educational, on social, and economic development of the community. When I'm talking about educational, I'm talking about the fact that we are able to give or transfer skills to the communities in terms of agriculture, of what is happening with agricultural practices, current ones. And let us not forget the fact that we are also benefiting from them because they have the indigenous knowledge in terms of agricultural practices. And in terms of social, it's our responsibility in making sure that our people, they are able to access the university. And when we talk about economic development, they are going to be planting, they are going to eat this food, they are going to have food gardening, they are going to be able to sell to others.
This means far more than just receiving tools and resources. This actually represents hope, it represents power, and a pathway to resilience for our municipality. Essentially, food security is fundamentally about dignity. So this initiative recognizes something that is very profound. It recognizes that food security begins with education and it extends to every household.
Iforte, they are God sent. Ndifuna ukuthi kubo ngase babe more blessed, bafumane more energy yonceda more people because abantu abaninzi bayalamba. So xa unegadi awulambi xa unegadi. Uyahlutha uzive ungumntu. Xa ulambile mos uzive uchip. But xa unokutya, special ukutya kwegadi, uyonwaba kakhulu. Uba ungumntu ongumama, uziva ungumama, umzi wakho ubashushu because unokutya.
Le ntsebenziswano phakathi kwanocollege iForterra nokuhlala ne-communities ezingqonge esi sikolo ibaluleke kakhulu. Asinagolide ba, asinazambiwa. Igolide yethu isemhlabeni. Sinawo kumhlaba, sinawo namanzi. Funeka ke siyikhuthaze le ntsebenziswano ikhule ngakumbi ukwenzela uba abantu bethu babuyele kwesa simo sokulima oluzokuqinisekisa into yobana laa nto amakhumsha athi i-food security siyayi-achieva apha eRaymond Mhlaba.